everybody, and today we are playing the Lightning Road. My other personality told me I should play this, like the other side of my life, so we're gonna be playing it. Maybe I could beat it. Half my levels, half my demons are only easy demons. I'm just so good. Listen to this fire music, bro! By the way, I'm an adult, so I'm not a kid. I just have a weird face. I'm actually 29 years old. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, bow, bow. 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 Look at that, I beat it first attempt. Yeah, I beat it first attempt. Eat that. Oh yeah, I'm working on my level. It's called Dread. I put a post about it, and I will soon be making a I'll be making a showcase. So don't stay tuned. Get out of here. Now I will find your house.